Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today we are hiking at Mal Pais National Monument here in New Mexico. And this is the Sandstone Bluffs, and wow, check out these views. Look at those rock formations. Wow. It's really pretty.
Yeah. See those little patches? Jeez. See those little patches? Those are all lava flows.
Oh, wow.
They used to be. There's a way you can go all the way over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are we going all the way?
Oh, why not?
Okay. Lead the way. These mosquitoes. Oh, gosh. Where's over here? Oh, snap.
Which hand? There you go.
At least it's not that slippery. Check out these views. So pretty. And these rock formations are something else. Wow. I absolutely love it. Looks so beautiful. Let's go check out the other side. are doing the La Ventana trail, checking out this window arc. Is it arc or arch?
Arch.
Window arch. What's the difference? Arc or arch?
Article. And then
Yeah.
arch is I think the same word. I don't know.
So we're checking out this window arch. La Ventana. Closer. It is hot out here, but not too bad. If you are new here to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are not new here, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button and share this video with your friends and your family. Hey, you want to say something to the people?
Stay safe and stay hydrated.
Yeah. Key, stay safe and stay hydrated. How do we stay safe?
Follow the trail.
Follow the trail. So you gotta stay on the trail. And what else?
Better to have what you need than not have what you don't need.
It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So basically, just make sure you're always prepared, because you don't want to run into a situation where you need something and you don't have it, because that would suck. Oh. Well, there you have it, La Ventana. It doesn't really look like there's a trail to go up there to get a closer look. I wish there was, but we're just kind of looking around to see if there's one, because that would be nice to actually go up there and get a closer look. But it does look really pretty. This is the largest arch in New Mexico, and it's really beautiful. It looks very massive, actually. But yeah, definitely check this out if you're ever in this area.